Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all. My name is Nur Afika Zahira binti Saiful as your MC for today's interview session. First and foremost, I want to introduce our engineer for today. Her name is Nur AQILAH ZAWANI binti Mustafa. She works in the Biocon company as a production associate. I would like to thank Cik Akila for giving us her free time to get interviewed by us. Thank you. Yeah, without wasting our time, I would like to share to you a simple introduction for this company. Biocon Limited is an Indian biopharmaceutical company based in Bangalore. It was founded by Kiran Mazumdar Shaw in Bangalore. Yeah. It was founded by Sorry, it was founded by Kiran Mazumdar in 1978. The company manufactures generic active pharmaceutical ingredient APIs that are sold in approximately 120 countries. Furthermore, for Biocon Sendirian Berhad in Malaysia, will manufacture and supply its range of insulin to its partner Duo Pharma Marketing Sendirian Berhad. Biocon Biologics has set up Asia's largest integrated insulin manufacturing facility in Malaysia. The facility in Johor, Biocon's first overseas biopharmaceutical manufacturing and research facility, has been built at an investment.
Yes, I do have a question. We have done some research this industry background. Can you share about the development of the industry or maybe the achievement of the industry throughout operation?
Okay, thank you for the question. Thank you, Jessina and Afika. Afika, you have good introduction for our company. Actually, it's true. Apa? When you say about integrated insulin, Asia's integrated, when we say integrated insulin manufacturer, it is because we start from the scratch until we have the API, until we give the insulin itself in pen form, in the packaging to our customer through Duo Pharma lah, as you said. So for now, Biocon Malaysia is Asia's largest integrated insulin manufacturer. But in the future, we are what we call on the way to be the largest in the world. Because for now, we are ongoing for the second phase project, which is including the drug product building and also drug substance building. So for me, I'm working for drug substance lah. Okay. I think that's the development that you should know.
Okay. Can you share with us the detail of the process, including the equipment involved during process operation?
Just a little bit of my department, because Biocon Sendirian Berhad is big, so I just cover the drug substance only, because it starts from scratch, right? The fermentation, the cell separation, the upstream one, and then go to downstream, which is my department, sub department. So I'm from drug substance. My downstream. So downstream is divided to three parts. Downstream production one. Yes, downstream production one, downstream two, and downstream three. Then my part is downstream two only. So I will brief you to downstream two. So downstream two, as for we start with we take the crystal that have been fermented, that have been processed by the upstream team, the fermentation team, the upstream team, and the downstream production one team. They have produced the crystal that have been, and then we take the crystal and pour The crystal is made from the yeast, Pistia pastoris lah as our raw material. So Pistia pastoris, the yeast, and then we take it, we thaw under uh, lamina airflow. Yes, so lamina airflow for maybe 48 hours, and then after that we go to dissolution. We need to break it, right? It in the crystal, and then we need to break it until it be in liquid form. After that, we'll go through the RPHPLC to separate. That is our separation process. The important separation process that you should know in Biocon, we use RPHPLC. Other companies also use that, but yes, in our company, we use 3 stages of RPHPLC: RPHPLC 1, RPHPLC 2, and RPHPLC 3. I think you all pernah dengar kan HPLC, protein purification, by using RPHPLC, and then they just separate that, just separate until there is no impurities in the protein itself. We want the product from the crystal, we dissolve be a liquid form, and then we purify using RPHPLC, and then after RPHPLC, we crystallize, and then we centrifuge until we get the product in slurry form, and then we will freeze drying using lyophilization. So from the part of crystallization, centrifugation until lyophilization, all of that is DSP3. So I don't cover all those things, and I don't ever execute all those things. But what I can say is, after the lyophilization process, the protein that we want, API that we want, is in powder form.
Okay, the next question. Is there any side product or reaction other than the main product after the process done?
Okay, basically in Biocon, you only produce API, right, for the insulin, the product. And as for my knowledge, for 1 year in Biocon, so I just 1 year, 1 year experience, okay? So don't expect much. Basically, if the byproduct lah, we say the byproduct, we just collect the product that we want, and then what we do with the byproduct, the waste, we will drain into our tank farm, we will drain into our waste tank, and then if the chemical we still can use for next process, then we take it. The waste that we don't use, we will recover, or we just drain to the waistline lah. But for Biocon, because of we use a lot of chemical, we have the tu je lah. Maybe there's no side product. Cara untuk, maybe for drug product, diorang ada. I don't know what the side product for the drug product, but for the drug substance, that's all. We just have the API, and then either we want it to deliver in liquid form or powder form.
Question. Does this company had faced accident that caused injury to the employee, or maybe incident that almost claimed the life of workers? If there is, what is your experience as an engineer or technologist to overcome the problem?
Okay, basically, have you attend the what course? OSHA. Oh, already attend, Okay. So in OSHA, you also learn about high rec, right? high rate. What else? Other than high rate, I forgot about that. Risk assessment, right? Risk assessments or something like that. Okay, so in Biocon, the thing is really used, okay, not only the EHS team, but for us, for me, also, we'll raise the risk assessment, raise the impact assessment, and also something like that if any injuries occurs. So, um, for my experience, based on my experience, okay lah. My cute experience, my hand was cut by shoe locker. Okay, accidentally cut by shoe locker. The shoe locker is besi kan. So macam paper cut lah. So when I want to get into the clean room, okay, we used to wear the complete garment, you know, the first layer garment, the blue one. You have to wear the whole PPE so on. And then when I want to wear my glove, I see the blood is already, I cannot stop the blood. So what I can do is I go out back, I just throw again my garment and then go out, cari first aider dulu. Okay, the first thing that we have to use is cari first aider. The first aider will wear the purple lanyard. Yeah, they will wear the special purple lanyard. And then ask them for the first aid lah. And only the paper cut but bleeding. So I asked them and then it's okay, you can go to the first aid and then take the handy plus blah 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 blah, but you have to fill in the form. Yeah, everything you have to fill in the form. Okay, if you don't fill the form, out of track. So if out of track, so kita akan misuse lah, banyak benda misuse lah, macam tu lah. So every single thing in Biocon you need to record. You ambil bandage ke, you ambil handy plus ke, tapi handy plus tu boleh terima lagi lah. Kalau macam bandage yang benda-benda besar-besar lah. And then if benda yang lagi teruk happen, pernah sekali my colleague execute pour the chemical into the tank manually, but the chemical splash. He didn't wear any eyewear, you know, any eye protection, goggle. Didn't wear goggle. So the chemical a bit splash to her. So the leader, our team leader, asked her to wash her eye using eye wash lah. Right, eye wash, rinse, and then go out, change the garment, and then wash her face, something like that, and then go back into the clean room. Yeah, that's all. So first of all, we need to let someone know what happened to us, or else suka hati lah kan, pandai lah sendiri doa situ lah, so atas tanggungan sendiri. Tapi basically biasanya EHS kan always ask us to see something, say something. If anything luar daripada kebiasaan berlaku, any accident, any incident yang berlaku luar daripada kebiasaan, ada pipe bocor ke, leaking, something like that, you see something, you say something. You see something tu, you nampak satu, you bagi tahu lah orang, you bagi tahu team leader and something. Sebab kalau you tak buat semua tu, you biar je, maybe will affect to the product, maybe will affect to the other colleague ke, you don't know, right? So same as you guys, if you see something, say something. If you see your friends ataupun you sendiri cut or something like that incident in the lab, you
Yes, I do have a question for Ms. AQILAH. How this company maintain the sustainability around us? You also can share how this company ensure the environment to stay clean. Either this company use filter dust to filter the waste products so that the smoke being released is clean and safe to be released into the air. Thank you.
okay. Basically, so I don't know much about the sustainability, but I think for Biocon itself, the fil- the smoke, which is it. Of course, there's a filter. We have our HVAC, and also we have the good ventilation that we maintain every single day. If there's any leaking, if there's any what we say macam smoke lebih ke apa semua tu, they will overcome the situation on that time. Like I say something, say something. When anybody see something, they will immediately call the extension number. Hello, for example, hello engineering team. There's some leaking in here. Blah 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 blah. Please take a look. Like that. We will immediately ask the orang yang particular pihak lah yang patut buat, the department team yang patut jalankan the responsibility, take care of the any troubleshoot or something like that. They will immediately go and execute what they should lah. And then in Biocon, and not in Biocon only lah, also in the other pharmaceutical, I believe that no smoking in our area. So no smoking, no vaping in our area. If you want to smoke or vape, you need to go outside of the area, Biocon area, outside of the gate, and then you can smoke, because there's a smoking area out there at the parking area outside of the premise. Yeah. If kena tangkap merokok tu kau kenalah situlah. Memang kena buang lah, biasa kena buang lah. Macam tu. Sebab benda ni kita restrict, tak nak ada apa-apa benda yang boleh mengakibatkan, sebab kita bermain dengan banyak chemical. Tak silap saya ada 600 chemical for now. 600 chemical yang kita guna. So kita tak nak anything happen. Sebab chemical ada yang mudah terbakar, right? Ada yang explosive. So we don't want all those things happen. That's why smoking area outside. If you want to outside, want to vaping also outside, and then other than that, you're ready to go and you're good to go. That's why I think in my department, tak tahulah kat luar, tapi sebab dia orang bekerja dengan kita kan 8 hours, I never seen they smoking. Although we go to the breakfast also, I don't know, memang dia orang tak smoking ke apa, tapi wah, good lah, right?
Next, I would like to call V to ask for the next question.
So hi, I want to ask, what is the occupational safety and health that have been applied in this company?
Okay, first of all, in any pharmaceutical industry, I would say maybe you will given a brief explanation or induction lah. If you macam orientasi gitu. So korang akan ada orientation, induction for a week. Simple briefing about Biocon, either in the micro training and what else? the safety itself, the safety team will come and brief you at first, and then after that, the firefighter man, the doctor itself. Oh, at Biocon, we also have a doctor in our clinic. So we have specific clinic in Biocon just for minor injury lah. If in case any accident occurs, injuries occurs, so we can go straight to our clinic, cute clinic, like that. Or and for occupational safety, there's one thing which is EHS, Environment, Health and Safety team in our company. So small group of them will build. Each department will have one representative for EHS, which is they we call them as first aider lah. So the first aider is the representative for each department for EHS team. And for EHS team also, they will they will have a weekly activity, simple activity such as the quiz. They will have the simple quiz every Wednesday, either quiz or crossword puzzle, so that everyone aware with the health and safety in our company. And also they also will go to each department. Their team will go to each department to have some briefing for us, how to use the PPE, how to use the chemical with safety, so something like that lah. So EHS team have a big responsibility to take care of workers here lah. That's all.
Wow, that's a detailed explanation. Thank you, Cik. Syahrain, V, do you want to add any question?
Want to ask that, without this company being operated, you face problems in which technical, maybe the system suddenly being shut down during the process, or the equipment failed to function, or you can share about the environment problem, which is maybe this company has caused pollution or any other pollution. What is the way this company eliminate the waste product?
Okay. So, based on what I see in 1 year, 1 year only, just small time, so pollution, there's no pollution, but if we have our waste, we have the day tank. In the day tank, we have the masing-masing punya. Contoh macam, like I said, there is the waste tank for acetonitrile, waste tank for sodium acetate, mixed solvent, something like that. Yes, we have. Sorry. How? Wait. Sounds okay. Sorry. Okay. Waste tank, and then the waste tank, they will transfer into the tank farm. You know, tank farm. There's a lot of tank, waste tank there, which is I'm not sure, but I think the volume, the capacity in the tank farm for one tank can fit up until 10,000 KL. 10,000 KL? 10,000 liter. Okay. Yeah, dekat Biocon we selalu panggil 1 KL, 2 KL. 1 K means 1,000, right? So 1 KL means 1,000 liter. 10 KL means 10,000 liter. But this one is, oh no, 100 KL maybe. 100 KL. Okay. So the tank farm will go to the, there's one lorry I think, will take the solution, the waste, and then buang ke tempat yang sepatutnya lah. Sebab that's why in your FYP in last sem, you need to learn how to buang the schedule waste. Okay. Everything is schedule waste. You have to pack, you have to tulis apa, SDS sheet dia. You kena ada semua tu. I dulu waktu FYP yang cakap malas buat benda tu, tahu tak? Tapi in real life working dalam industri memang benda tu yang kena buat. Serious talk. Dulu malas buat benda tu. Tapi hakikatnya memang kena buat. Waktu FYP korang jangan malas buat schedule waste tu. Dia kena letak dalam satu botol. Contoh korang dah buat banyak dah, korang punya chemical dah campur-campur bagi semua tu, masuk dalam satu botol. And then tulis apa hazard dia, apa dia punya, contoh dia eksplosif ke, mudah terbakar ke, something like that. You kena tampal benda tu, tahu tak? Lepas tu SDS sheet dia kena ada. You kena ada SDS sheet for every chemical that you use in your experiment. Every chemical. Kalau ada 5 lah. Kalau ada 10 lah. Nasib lah kalau guna 100 chemical lah, 100 lah. Kalau banyak duit lah kan. Waktu FYP nak buat banyak-banyak. Macam tu lah. So macam saya cakap ni pesanan saya sebagai ni je lah, sebagai orang yang dah pernah buat FYP something. Nasihat saya, belajar lah. Buat lab tu betul-betul lah. Discussion lab tu betul-betul lah. Jangan discussion, copy je lah ada kat internet. ChatGPT ada kan. Don't ever lah. Macam you will learn something from that, and then you will use and implement in your working life. If you masuk dalam pharma industry lah. Sebab kalau you chemical engineering biotechnology, I think pharma industry is a good platform untuk you pursue you punya kerja. Apa tadi yang kita cakap pasal apa? Tank. Ni waste kan tadi kan. Kita cakap.
Rasyikah, do you perhaps curious about anything?
Yes, I do. So, Cik Aqilah, does the incident give impact to environment or perhaps society?
About pollution like happened at Sungai Kim Kim's Pasir Gudang before this, or any explosion or something. For now, in Biocon, we have taken care of all those things. The environment, of course, is our priority because it will affect someone's people life, right? So all those things have, I think, never been occurred. Just only the incident for ourselves lah, the chemical splash, the injuries, have been occur. And also, other than that, about the environment, the pollution, I think all those things is never been occurred yet. But I hope it will never happen because our team will take care of that.
Thank you, Cik Aqilah. Can you share with us about the contribution of this company toward economy and social?
The contribution, we deliver the treatment to our patient through Duopharma. We just the manufacturer, and the Duopharma is distributed for society. Basically, Biocon has been involved in the charity society program to nurture more activities in Biocon. Biocon also provide the Meals on Wheels, also skills